Hello, welcome to my Sunday Front. Today I have this to review. It is a live sound card and I want to give it a fair shot and check it out. So let's get it open and see what this is all about. So here we have the wires. So it comes with an aux and it comes with a USB-C connection. Really cool. Here is the product. This is the manual. So the manual basically just has precautions on it. It basically just tells you what's what. This is it right here. So like it tells you applause, laughter, snicker, awkward, and this right here is the microphone. So like I wanted to try my microphone, so I guess I put my microphone in here, and then the OTG would go out into the electric. See? But then like you'd have to connect it to, you see, you'd have to connect it to your device, and I think it's available through Bluetooth. I'm not sure. So I'm not getting any like signal or whatever. Yeah, I'm not getting any signal on my phone. So I'm not sure. But this looks legit. I mean, it looks pretty legit. I think it's just my setup. I just wanted to give it a shot. See if it really does work. But like I said, I don't have all the connections yet, so maybe I'll work on that. Well, thank you guys for watching anyway, and I'll see you again on the next one. My Sunday Front. Bye-bye.